to my channel. My name is Elena for those of you that are new here. I'm currently making my bed right now. Sorry for the barking dog. Yeah, I'm currently making my bed. It's like 8:58 a.m. So usually first thing in the mornings I get dressed, but I put my clothes into the wash machine yesterday, and the sweatpants that I would like to wear for my walk are currently in the washer and need to be put in the dryer. So I did not do my walk until I have my sweatpants out of the dryer. So after I make my bed, I'm gonna go move everything over into the dryer, except for the clothes that get hung up, but that should not take me too long. So okay, let me finish putting these pillows and stuffed animals on my bed, and then I will be back. I'd like to put my laundry outside to dry, but it's 51 degrees and it feels like 41 degrees. So I'm like, is that gonna be too cold or what? Like, because for me, I notice it dries quicker when I put it outside, and I'm not waiting all day for it to dry. But I don't know. Y'all get what I'm saying. Let me know in the comments. I'm probably just gonna honestly put it outside. So I'm not doing my laundry all tomorrow on a Sunday. Not doing it. No. So I gotta get meal prep done and everything tomorrow. So it would just be better. Got everything done today. So much fun. Oh my goodness. And the shirt. What? Hopefully I'll get this laundry folded and put away before I go to church tonight. That would be nice. No, I'm gonna hang this one up outside. Okay, let me finish getting this laundry over. So I gotta take the stuff that's on the dryer outside. And then after I do that, I'll be back. It's currently 9:37 and I'm just coming in here to grab my pump changing stuff because I have to do my site change today, unfortunately, because it's been 3 days, so I'm about to do that. My waffles are in the toaster, which it's probably a late breakfast, but you know what? It's Saturday. Who cares? Like, Saturdays are gonna be slow mornings for me anyway because I had such a long week. So I'm like, let's have a slow morning. Let's have a nice, easy, slow morning. The laundry is getting stuff. I'm still getting stuff done. So. But yeah, now I'm gonna grab my pump changing stuff. Wait, after breakfast I can do my site change and then do my usual, what everyone else has to be done, like brush my teeth and then do my walk. It's probably gonna be a little bit cold for my walk, but you know what? It's okay. We're still gonna brave it. It's not like it's the winter time and it's snowing outside to where you can't go on a walk. It'll be okay. Okay, but my waffles are ready, so let me go get my breakfast pulled together, and then we will be back. Let's see how my coffee tastes. Wow, y'all, that tastes pretty good. All I'm drinking is this Dunkin' cold iced coffee, and all you need is to pour the packet. You take one of these packets out, and you pour it into the cup, and then you get like 10 fluid ounces of room temperature cold water, and then you put your creamer in and stir it up and enjoy. And add ice, but I did not add ice. I just put mine in the hyper chiller. It's so good. Okay, but we're gonna add the topping. I added this yesterday. So good. Okay, that should be good. Cold foam. Okay, time to sit down, eat my breakfast, and enjoy my coffee, and then we will be back. I just took the old pod off, and here's the new pod. Here's the evidence of the old pod being off. And then after we get this done, we'll go ahead, do the dishes that I used for breakfast, and then we will, hopefully by then, my laundry will be pretty much dry, and then I'll go on a walk. That's what I'm hoping for, but okay. Now I'm gonna fill the pod with insulin. I'm gonna listen for 2 beeps. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into my Omnipod 5 app on my phone and prime it. So let me go do that, and then I will be right back. Now we need to clean off a site now that it's done like priming. Just put it back on this side. Okay, that was weird. After I get done changing my pod, I'm gonna do these dishes. And I am probably gonna bolus like, or depending on what my blood sugar is first, probably gonna bolus about 1 to 2 units maybe. Because after I do a pump change, my blood sugar tends to rise a couple hours after, so it's fun. Especially after lunch, it starts rising. So I'm like, yeah, we're gonna make sure that does not happen today. Okay, let me go in and like insert the cannula. Okay, dishes are done. I'm gonna go check on the clothes outside real quick because those should hopefully be somewhat dry by now. So I'm gonna go check on those and then I will be back. I am now folding clothes. All I have is this last bit of clothes plus my shorts to fold. Plus there's some clothes that I just don't like drying because I don't want them to shrink. So I guess once those are done drying, I'll have to put those away. But yeah, I feel like I've gotten a lot done. It's only 11:36, and considering the time I woke up at and had breakfast at, it was later than usual for me today. And then I even had to change my pod on top of that. Getting everything done, and I mean, it's not even noon yet, so yeah, I feel pretty good about that. So I feel pretty happy. There's not gonna be as much to do tomorrow, so I feel pretty thankful for that. Usually when I'm doing my laundry on Saturdays, it's already like 2:30, and then I'm having to rush just to get it all folded and put away before I had to church. But today, I'm getting it done nice and early. I feel pretty good. And assuming my dad says yes to that he can take me to get my groceries, feel even better. Okay, I'm gonna put these clothes away and then I'll be back later when I'm on my walk. Currently on my walk right now. It says it's 56 where I'm at, but it feels like 50 degrees, but I don't know, it kind of feels warmer outside with the sun, but then there's a breeze, so I'm gonna just keep my jacket on for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna finish my walk. Hopefully by the time I get home I can have my lunch because I'm starting to get a little bit hungry. But yeah, so I'll check in with you guys when I get back from my walk. I am home from my walk. Before I eat lunch, I want to get a grocery order, please, because my dad did say that he would take me to get my groceries, so yeah. Breakfast is always the same. I've just been doing my half my oats overnight with 2 hard-boiled eggs, and then my coffee, of course. Which I know we definitely need more eggs, so I'm gonna get more eggs. The other day for lunch, I did a really good lunch. It was a chicken salad wrap. So it was like frozen chicken nuggets. I heated those up. I got some lettuce, put it on a wrap, and then, but before I put the chicken on my wrap, I added buffalo sauce over top of my chicken nuggets. It was really good, so I think I'm gonna do the buffalo chicken salad wrap for lunch this week. And then I'll do some blueberries on the side. And then for dinner, honestly gonna do a tuna salad sandwich, because that's pretty easy. And my goal is, because I'm trying not to spend a lot, I'm trying to save, so I don't want to spend a lot at the grocery store on meals, so just been doing pretty inexpensive thing. So I've just been doing like a tuna salad sandwich. And then I'll do like strawberries on the side, so do that for my dinner. Let me think of my snack and I will be right back. Back from church. And I changed my clothes. I'm gonna eat dinner. I did already feed both the dogs. After I get done eating, I'm gonna do my evening walk. And then I'm gonna go pick up my groceries. That way that's done before tomorrow. But yeah, let me eat first and then I will be back. I am back from the grocery store. I'm gonna go show you everything that I got. So first, starting off with our cheeses, I got string cheese, lactose free. I also got Swiss cheese because I need that for my dinners for the week. I'm having 4 sandwiches with Swiss cheese on them, so that would be so good. And then we got more milk, but this will go to the basement. I'll bring the other one up when I go down there to get it. Next, we got bread. This will also go to the basement because I don't need it up here right now. I like to keep like a loaf in the freezer, so there's that. Next, I got eggs. I go through eggs every day. As you guys know, I eat them with my breakfast every day, so got more eggs. Got more strawberries. Snacks, I wanted to try these Kodiak protein bars. They're chocolate almond. They have 7, so not bad for a snack for work. Strawberry fruit strips. I got more Starburst for like my lows for my blood sugar low. And then I got some Munchies snack mix. I also got some corner queso, spicy queso chips. And then for lunch for Thursday, because Thursday is a half day. So I got me a Lunchable. Probably not the healthiest, but they were out of the grape PB&J Lunchable, so doesn't anybody get that? But that's okay. I got more fabric Febreze extra strength, and then I got more Pledge. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff away, and then yeah, I just got the pantry cleaned out, and I did the fridge already, so I feel like I'm doing better. The fact that I already got my groceries for tomorrow for meal prep, I did pretty good. Like, I'm proud of myself. Now I'm making my oats for tomorrow. Instead of having the coffee from the coffee pot tomorrow, I'm just gonna make what I made today, which I'll just have to get up a little bit earlier tomorrow, but that's okay. I'm gonna get up earlier anyway so I can do a workout before I go to church, which I'm just gonna do my indoor bike. It's no big deal. But I'm about to stir this up and put it in the fridge, and I'm having mixed berries and cream for tomorrow for breakfast. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go get in the bed. But I will see you back tomorrow for the next day, for Sunday. Good morning. Happy Sunday, you guys. I am currently about to eat my breakfast and drink my coffee, and then I will be getting ready to go to church. So, yeah, follow along with me for my Sunday. Home from church, and I'm about to change out of my shirt and put on this shirt, so I'm gonna do that now, and then I'm gonna go probably make something to eat, and then I'll be back when I do like my meal prep. So I'm about to put my ingredients into my tuna now. And I am gonna measure this out, so some people might say, you know what, that's a lot of mayonnaise. My meal that I'm gonna be eating, I want my food to be tasty. Let her do what she wants, you know. It says half cup, so, and I have a lot of tuna here, so. I'm not gonna add any more. Let me like mix this up. When I get done mixing this up, I'll be right back. Tuna is all mixed up. I'm gonna add in the seasonings. So I'm gonna add in the celery seed. I'm also gonna add in some minced onion, because why not? I'm gonna add in some sweet relish. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in some, I already added in the celery seed, and minced onion. I'm gonna add in some Italian seasoning. Okay, that's probably good. A little bit of salt. Okay, that's good. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of pepper. Okay, that's too much. We're not gonna be able to taste pepper, so it's okay. I'm gonna give this a good stir. And then I'm gonna add in the soy sauce. Okay, that should be good. I'll give that a stir again. And voila, that should be good. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator now. I'm trying to get this done because my blood sugar is 311, going straight up, so I should probably test it once I get done, drink my water. I'm gonna check for ketones because I want to go on a walk, and I'm gonna make sure I have no ketones before I go on a walk. So okay, the eggs are done. I'm gonna put them in a bag really quick and then go take care of my blood sugar. Okay, I'm currently 318. I need to check my blood sugar because that's very high for me. Like, I'm supposed to be lower than that. I'm supposed to be like lower than 180. So 318 is above average for me. So I'm gonna put my strip in now. Oh my gosh, my phone is charging, so if you guys can't see it, then that's okay. I'm 353 going straight up. What's happening? Blood sugar. After I get like an accurate finger stick reading, I'm gonna like see like if I have ketones. If I have ketones, I can't go on a walk because yeah. Okay, I'm 3:25. So yeah, that's really high for me. I am gonna go check for ketones now, just to make sure I don't have any before I go on my walk. I am currently on my evening walk, but my blood sugar is currently down to 130. I did already eat dinner, so, which I never filmed that, but that's okay. I'm gonna finish my walk and then head home. And I guess we'll see what's next. I am out of the bath. I'm gonna go make the coffee when I get done brushing my hair, but I'm not gonna film that. Just because I feel like this video is gonna be pretty long. So we may have to make this into 2 videos. I don't know. I'll see. And then after I get done making the coffee, I'm gonna go play pool with my mom and my stepdad. So, yeah. Okay. Let me go make the coffee now. I already played 2 rounds of pool, which was fun. I did not win, though, unfortunately. But that's okay. You're not always gonna win. But you just play for fun. I'm now gonna make the coffee. And then I don't really want a snack. Just because my blood sugar is only like 131. And my blood sugar went high today, so. And I'll take 131 because it's not low, it's not high, it's perfectly in range, and I don't want to mess that up. So I'll probably just have a little small amount of peanut butter. But yeah, I'm gonna make the coffee super quick, and then we'll be back. I'm 140 now, so I'm gonna have this peanut butter right here, and then go brush my teeth, and then I will be back. I am currently laying down in my bed after a long weekend and pretty much a bad day of blood sugars today. This is where I'm happy to be tonight, and I'm gonna start getting ready to go to sleep soon because, as we all know, tomorrow's Monday, and Mondays, we all dread Mondays because it's the start of the work week, and, you know, since being off on the weekend, you know. So, I'm gonna lay here, go to bed in a little bit. I'm gonna watch a little bit of a movie, so. If you enjoyed today's video, please remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And like always, I'll see you in my next video. Make it a great one.